Hello brothers, welcome. You might not seen me before, but my name's Isaac Rory Smith. I'm 17 years old, living in New Zealand, and is currently a day trader, scalper, and we are starting to see profits. So I was like, fuck, what's a better idea than journaling from literally broke? And I want to inspire you guys to come with me, because I know lots of you guys are in the same shoes as I am right now, trying to get rich from trading. All tried it before. So I was like, alright, I'm going to take you guys on a journey. Hopefully you can follow on, jump with me, and succeed with me as well. But yeah, we're at this B&B for my dad's birthday. Very nice, very cool setup here that they have. Making some coffee, trying this. I'm a big fan of my coffee, so it's going to be interesting. But yeah, we took a trade last night on New York session. Coffee. So this is what it is. Italian roast. Making that video now, boys, and I realized you're supposed to put that coffee in a fucking press. That's why I was all lumpy and shit. Fuck! I'm a big coffee guy, so I do like extra coffee in mine. Bedroom there, double bed. Bedroom there, bedroom's new here. Bedroom here, little house tour for you guys. And we come in here, we have the shower. Got the mirror here. I was on the cut, I was getting abs, but now I'm a little bit off the cut, but still shredded at 17. I mean, come on. Got some leniency. Got this very nice shower. Bathroom here. Do like my coffee black like I like my woman. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Into those black women. 3 months. So when I turn 20, he turns 50. So I'm going to buy him a car. I'm gonna buy him a Lamborghini. That's my goal. And I want to take you guys with me because best dad. What's up, fool? Decided I'm going to do a day in our life on YouTube. Trading. So I can journey it, so I was like, I'll just start here, you know what I mean? Yeah. Always won't caddy, it's freezing, just at the bottle shop. Very nice place, very quiet place. Not sure how the people like here, but it should be good. Let's go. Definitely started to see way more profitability when I was actually studying my losses. Why did I lose? Did I enter too early? And that was my switch, because I knew I had discipline down, I knew I was risk management down. I needed a solid strategy, and then I finally got myself a solid strategy. And yeah, it was just about learning that discipline with that good strategy, which I never got the chance. I just had years of experience doing the same shit, learning the same fair value gap, but I thought they said, oh, learn it over and over again, because you're going to need to know it, right? But they're the course sellers, so yeah, I went through that a lot, but I stopped buying courses, and then one of Vito's people that work with him, interviewed, and he says, so how come you're not investing much into courses at the moment and all that, or mentorship? And I was like, oh, well, I just don't want to get scammed. He's like, if you're always fearing about getting scammed, you're never gonna change. You know, it's about taking the risk. You're never gonna move anywhere if you don't take the risk. Let's go, boys. Welcome, boys. I was not gonna do a trade recap in this video, but then I just realized, why not? More content, you know what I mean? So I might as well, and so you guys can also get a grip on what I'm actually trading, right? So we'll quickly jump into this. We'll make it fast. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5. Yeah, we have 5 trades to go over. So we're going to quickly zoom through this. So I'll take you guys back to Friday when I recorded this vlog. Very nice trade. I mean, very simple. If you guys don't know how to trade like me, go check out Vito Commerci. That's where I learned to trade. Maybe I'll teach you guys how to trade in the future. But for now, I'm just trying to document my journey. If you like, you can take advice from me. If not, then that's all good. I'm just here to make money, to be honest. So this is Friday's trade. Very, very clean. Like, these trades last under like 3 minutes most of the time. So basically, I'll quickly go over the strategy really quick. So we find an area that's been like, you know, hit lots of times. Like, for an example, price has reacted here lots of times. If it reacts more in the past, that's even better. So we had a level here just to make it really simple. We want to see price, let's say this is a level, right? We want to see price go to the level, touch it, retrace, and have a nice strong push through there. We're basically trading volatility. And hey, you guys can say it doesn't work or it works. My spreadsheet says it works. Now, yes, I'm still losing, but on the day, I have an 80% win rate. So if I lose like London session, I'll probably win New York. If I lose New York, I'll probably win London session. In the last month and a half, we have literally had 1, 2, 3, we've had 4 losing days. So hey, I don't know, my P&L is saying we're winning. So anyways, boys. So this trade, we had a push. I actually can't show you on the 1 minute because this trade literally lasted less than a minute. It was like 30 seconds. So we had a push, a retrace, and a second push. Take profit was at the close of this fair value gap over here. But overall was a very nice trade. Didn't last long at all. And then we'll come over. So that was Friday. We'll come over to Monday's trade. Okay, so Monday we actually took a loss, unfortunately. Well, we took a loss on London session, but we came back and won New York session. So London session, we had a level here. Wasn't the best level at all. I should have waited for extra momentum because the levels were kind of shit. And I don't know what I was doing. I should have just stayed out and waited for extra confirmation. But the thing is, at least I'm learning from it, right? It's another thing if you lose and then you push it to the side. At least I'm actually taking, action to make sure I don't lose the same way again, right? But hey, losses come. We have to accept losses are part of the journey. There's no win rate that wins 100% of the time, right? So we took a loss here. It's all good. It's whatever, right? And then we have New York session. So New York comes and opens for right here. And this was the bottom tick. This was the absolute bottom tick, boys. Just tell me. Look how perfect this trade is, right? So there was a fake out to the upside, and this actually got my mentor and lots of other people, right? 110% following the strategy. The reason why I didn't take this trade was because my monitor was not turning on. I don't know why it was not turning on. So I got saved by the monitor. And then we had a push to the downside. We already had a fake out, right? So I'm like, okay, if we're going to push past here, that's an entry. Or if we're going to push past here, that's an entry. Because we've already had 2 fake outs. And then we had a push past. I actually had a really good entry. Boys, okay, so if US30 is going up and Nasdaq's going down, then I won't catch a Nasdaq trade. But if US30 is going down and Nasdaq's going up, obviously it's not the best thing, but it's not as bad. So fucking Nasdaq was absolutely shooting to the sky. And then we had a touch, retrace, we had the 2 fake outs and then push past, and then a very, very nice trade. And boys, look at this. Look at this. When I say I bottom ticked this, I mean I bottom ticked it. So if you guys see in the top left, it says the low is at 44563. And if you guys look to the side, it's at 44563. This was such a beautiful trade. Absolutely bottom ticked it as much as you literally could, and it was exactly equal to that. It actually made equal lows as well. So very nice trade. So we secured the loss that we actually took on London session and came back with a win on New York session. Cool, let's jump into the next one. So that's 2 trades down. What do we got next? What do we got? Oh no, it's 3 trades down. This trade, of course, easy as a gain. I had a level around something like this. Price pushed, retrace, gave us a second push. This is literally free breed. The strategy is so easy. It's all about the psychology. Another 1.6 times. Absolutely smashed. I could have held it and made generational wealth, but it's all good, boys. Got to stick to the rules. So another easy trade. Just simple. Playing the level strategy, right? Touch the level, pull back, give us a push with momentum. And then let's jump on to the next trade, which was actually on US30. We played a lot on US30 and Nasdaq, so it's good to see a mix of both. And this is the trade from last night, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it is. Alright, bet. So we had a push, a pullback, and then a second push. And this was with lots of momentum. This was very nice. I entered something around... Did I enter around there? Yeah, it must have been something around here. Oh yeah, that's right. It was. Because I nearly got stopped out. Boys. So, price gave us a pullback, second push, blah, blah, blah. And then this is what happened. So, I'll jump to the 1 minute so we can see. This trade. Okay, so this is what happened. So, some people had to take profit here, but I had to take profit a little bit higher, so I had to hold through a little bit of bullshit, right? So, I entered, off this candle here. And then, because it was a little pullback, push. And then my stop loss was on the halfway point of this 1 minute fair value gap. A little bit underneath it. So price comes up and it comes all the way down. And I'm not even joking. My monitor kept turning itself. Oh no. No, that was the other trade. This trade, my live data turned off in the middle of the trade. So it was 10 minutes behind. And I was like, fuck. Bro, I can't even see. And then I had to buy new data, and then I turned the trade on, and then it was at the TP. But I would have helped through this anyways, because I wanted it to get a little bit closer before taking out at break even, because it was just here. So nearly hit the stop loss and then came back up. So very nice trade again. Very, very well played for the last 4 trades. Even though Monday we started with a loss on London session, we didn't let that affect us for the last 3 trades. So I've been doing really, really well. And hey, if you guys want to follow the journey, I'm going to end the video here. But if you guys want to follow the journey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hold on, I'll quickly get this here. But yeah, if you guys want to follow the journey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Because boys, we are all here. We are all one. And hey, let's make a change. Let's make this fucking generational wealth. Let's make this money. Let's go. See you guys in a bit. Cheers.